So hello everyone, welcome to SBCodes and my name is Swastik Banerjee, and from today's video we are going to start a new series. The name of the series is Mini Projects in Java. Okay, in this series we are going to make few projects, mini projects, easy to understand for the beginners, easy and small projects just to gain interest and to grow through programming in Java and to learn something. Okay, these programs would not be very difficult, but just few programs we will write to solve real life problems, small real life problems. And today's our project will be basic calculator. Okay, in Java we are going to make a basic calculator. So don't worry that the first few videos gonna be very easy or very simple, but little bit we will increase our level at as soon as we go to the end of the series. But more or less all the videos in the series gonna be very easy and simple, so that everybody gets interested in it. Okay, so today's our video is gonna be on basic calculator. We are going to create a calculator, for example a simple calculator, for example plus, minus, divide, multiplication. To do these things on Java program, we are going to make a simple program. We are going to write a simple program. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to take input a means the first number. For example, in the calculator we used to write that a divide by b. Now in the calculator we don't write a divide by b or a into b like this. We don't write, we give values there. But since this is a computer and we don't know what value you are going to enter or the user are going to enter, so we are going to ask for the first value, then the operator, what operator symbol you are using, that means to know that whether it is divide or multiplication or uh, plus, minus, whatever. Okay, and the second number, what is the second number. Okay, and then we will do the operation and return the result to the user. So it seems very simple, and it is actually very simple, but just to build your concept, to gain your interest, today we are starting with this first project, that is basic calculator. Then other projects I will also bring in near future. So stay tuned. So this code we are going to write it now. First we need import java.util package. We need the classes of the util package. For that I am importing java.util.start, which will import all the classes present in the util package in the Java library. Okay, now then class I will write. Okay, this program I'm writing in BlueJ. You can use any other, you can also write it in any other IDE. It will be same as this. Okay, this is, since this is a Java friendly and beginner friendly, that's why I'm using this. Okay, basic calculator. Our class name will be basic calculator. Then we need public static void main. Okay, and now excuse me for my, I am coughing because I had cold and cough in this weather. We are creating excuse me, we are creating scanner object. Okay, object of scanner class for console input and output. For console input and output. Sorry. Now as I told you that we have to enter. First we need the first number. System.out.print. We need the first number. Enter first number. So the first number will be entered by the user. That we will store it in int a, because the sc.next int, excuse me. Then we need our operator. Copy. We'll copy it and we'll paste it. Then we need our operator. Sorry. Then we need our operator. This will be char opt. I'm writing. This will be char and then dot char at 0. So we will take the first character. That means whatever operator will be entered, that operator we will keep it. Okay, and then we need paste, and then we need our second number. We need our second number. First number, that was first number. Now we need our second number. B is our second number. Now the problem arises, or the main thing is to check which operator the user has entered. Otherwise, the whole calculation part will be done by the computer only. That is very easy. Just we need to check which operation we need to do. We need to check whether OPT equal sorry, excuse me. Sorry. Since the operator is the character form is in char data type, so we can directly write equal, and we can check it with our operator what we need. Maybe it is plus. If it is plus, then we can do one thing. We can take another variable. Int s equals to c. S will store whatever operation to be done. S is equals to a plus b. Else if opt equal minus, then that will be done in s is equals to a minus b, and then else if it can be multiplication also, right? We are doing one thing. I will copy this, copy, we will paste it. Okay, then we will write multiplications. For multiplication we use the star symbol, so we will write the star symbol and then a into b. Done. Okay, again we have division, and for division we use slash symbol. Okay, sorry, my mistake, this slash symbol, this little bit confusing, this confuses me a lot. And it is this. Else if it can be paste, it can be this symbol also, and this symbol means to the power, means to the power a to the power b. So in that case we cannot write like this. We have to write math dot power a comma b. We have to use math function. And else we will just else what we will do, else s we will keep as 0. Okay, oh, it is not int, it's not coming actually int. In this case it will not come like this, so we have to generate it like this. Sorry, it has to be made to int, otherwise this results in, or this returns a double. Okay, the result would be returned in double form. Okay, in double data type. That's fine. So else s is equals to 0, mean nothing will happen. And the problem is doing any of the operation can result in s is equals to 0. We will not do it like this. Let us change this. Let us just change this. What we will write is, sorry, we will write here system.print copy paste invalid input. If the user enters any other character which is not possible, which is not a operator, then this will be displayed and the program will automatically shut down. Abnormally it will close the program using system.exit. Okay, and if this is not the case, any other operation has already occurred, then we will just paste and we will write result is equals to plus s. Whatever the result is, it will be displayed. Okay, now let's see whether it works or not. Basic calculator, we'll open it with the first number, for example 5. One operator we missed, we will write it again. Wait, enter the operator. We are giving multiply, and the second number let's give it 2. The result is 10. this operation is correct, that means the program is correct. One operator we missed, and that is mod function. I think you know that mod operator. Mod is also a kind of operator which returns that is represented by percentage symbol in Java and in Python also, which returns the remainder of the after, for example, a mod b. So a will be a mod b. So a will be divided by b, and the mod will be returned. Is the remainder will be returned. Okay, that will be displayed. Let's go. Let's see. Enter the first number 5. Let's give mod, and then let's give 2. Result is 1. For example, 2 will be 5 will be divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, and 1 is the remainder. So that remainder is the result, since we are doing mod. Okay. So this was our first episode, or you can say first video on our newly launched series, that is mini projects in Java. And like this, I will bring more and much more exciting videos uh, in the upcoming weeks. We will do much more things like basic task calculators, and other things also we will make, like restaurant programs for restaurant owners, and those things also we will make. That will be simple for the user to understand, and for us to understand. It will be simple mini project for us to understand and grow our interest in Java programming. Okay, that will be an interesting journey. Today is the starting, and we have done this basic calculator which just calculates, which just behaves like a calculator. You just enter the first number, the operator, and the second number, and basic calculations can be done, like plus, minus, multiplication, division, to the power function means exponents, then mod function, and those things can be done using this basic calculator. Okay, so if you want, you can take a screenshot of this program, or if you have pen and paper, you can write it. This will work in other IDE as well. I am writing in Java because it is beginner friendly and user friendly. That's fine. Okay, this was our first video of our first episode of mini projects in Java, and new exciting videos I will bring in the upcoming weeks. Till then, stay safe, bye bye, and thank you for watching. And if you have got any value, please subscribe the channel and write in the comment section. Okay, till then, stay safe, bye bye.